Hi, this video will show you how to fold a Pulelehua origami. The Pulelehua is also called the Kamehameha butterfly, and it's only found in Hawaii. And the Pulelehua is a red butterfly that's closely related to the painted lady that's found all over the world. This origami project can be found in my book, Rainforests and Reefs. So let's get started. The first step is to cut out your origami. So to make the Pulelehua, we're going to use the water bomb or tent base. And your first thing is to find the horizontal or vertical line, and with the printed side facing up, fold it in half. Make sure to try your best to match the corners before pressing down, and then run your finger along the fold to create a nice crease. Now open your origami back up and turn it over so that your printed side is facing down. Now you're going to fold diagonally. Again, do your best to make sure that the corners match. And then run your finger along the fold to create a nice crease. Unfold and repeat this diagonal fold on the other side. Again, matching your corners and then running your finger along the fold to create a nice crease. Now open up your origami. Now you'll see it kind of even stands on its own like a little tent. So now you're going to push in on the two sides along this line, the horizontal line. And you see how it naturally kind of collapses to fold a nice tent. So some people refer to this as the water bomb base, and I like to call it the tent base because it kind of looks like a tent. Now make sure that your origami is positioned so that the word Pulelehua is on the bottom side. And on the top, you have this nice diamond shape with a description about the Pulelehua. Now, along these diagonal lines, fold down and open up your wings. And that's it. There's your Pulelehua, and I think this is one of the easiest beginner origamis that you can make, and certainly the easiest origami project in this book. Thank you.